Alright, Twilight fans, so I've made it to La Push out on the coast of Washington, and yeah, it's beautiful. I'm not going to swim because the water's super cold, but let's go have a look anyway. This is pretty cool. So I think they filmed a few different scenes from the movie out here on the beach. I know they went surfing. I think that was in the first movie. I can't remember all the movies. But that was way over there, which I think is Second Beach. And second and third beach are hard to get to. You have to park on the side of the road and walk through all this rainforest, which I'm not going to do with everything on my bike. So I do quick little videos like this and then run back and make sure people haven't stolen everything off my bike, like my laptop. But yeah, there's some people surfing out there. I dare say they're wearing full-length steamers because the water is just way too cold. Especially for me. I'm a Sunshine Coast girl. I like my water warm. But look at all the driftwood. This is so cool. Oh man, I would love to get like a massive piece and make a dining table or something out of the driftwood. This is super cool. I can't believe people are swimming. So there you go. This is La Push. So we're still on the reservation land, and I've just come out to another beach. It's called Rialto Beach because I wanted to see as many beaches as possible. So I'm just going to walk out here. I parked in the car park, and it's only a short walk, but lots of driftwood again, black sand, rocks. Not your typical beach. Well, not what I'm used to anyway. But look at the size of the driftwood. Jesus, I'm going to navigate through here. It's like going bush, except with sand and rocks. Really covering all the terrain on this trip. Oh, okay. Slowly. Oh yeah. So I was way over there before, and then I've driven around and come out here. Cool. What a gorgeous little beach. This is amazing. A bit too choppy for swimming. There's probably people crazy enough to go in there. There were over at First Beach. Doesn't seem to be here. Wow. I love the driftwood. That is cool. my god, I've waited years to come here, and it has not disappointed at all. At all. This is just beautiful.